When it comes to withholding tax, making payments and filing returns is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. To get started, log in to your MyDORWAY account. First, let's talk about making withholding prepayments in MyDORWAY. From your Accounts tab, locate your withholding account panel in the list and click the Payments, Returns, and Periods hyperlink. This screen will display all active periods. To make a prepayment on a specific period, select the period in the first column. From the Period screen, select the Make a Payment link at the top of the page. The payment screen will automatically default to prepayment as the payment type, and the payment will automatically be directed toward the filing period you selected. Enter the prepayment amount in the Amount field. The Payment Date field will automatically display the current date, but you can future date this payment up to 45 days by clicking the calendar icon and changing the date. The filing period you chose earlier will automatically be displayed in the Filing Period field. You will not be able to change the filing period from this screen, so make sure you selected the correct period on the previous screen. Once you're finished, click Next. Select your payment method in the Payment Options panel. If you select Bank Account, you'll be prompted to enter your banking information. If you select Credit Card, you'll be directed to a secure payment site to submit your payment. Please read the payment site criteria carefully before making a credit card payment. For this example, let's select Bank Account and click Next. Confirm your payment amount at the top. Enter your bank account information into the corresponding fields and select the type of bank account you're using. Next, select whether or not you would like to save this bank account for future use. Saving your bank account can save you time by allowing you to select this banking information the next time you make a payment. Click Next once you're finished. Click Submit to submit your prepayment. Enter your MyDORWAY password, which serves as your electronic signature. The confirmation screen has your confirmation number. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records. Review the information and click OK. We recommend that you click the period hyperlinks to make prepayments because the payment information screen will automatically populate the filing period you selected. Another method to make a prepayment is to click the Make a Prepayment link at the top. By using this method, you'll have the ability to choose different payment types like account payment, audit payment, and payment plan payment, in addition to the prepayment option. Enter the prepayment amount in the Amount field. The filing period field will not automatically be populated, so you'll need to enter a filing period manually. You'll want to make sure that the filing period date is correct. For withholding tax, filing periods must be the last day of each quarter. 3/31 for first quarter, 6/30 for second quarter, 9/30 for third quarter, or 12/31 and the correct year for the fourth quarter. Once you enter the correct filing period, you may continue with your payment using the steps we described earlier. Now, let's talk about filing your withholding return. From the MyDORWAY homepage, locate your withholding account panel under the Accounts tab. You'll see your current withholding return on the right with a quick link to file the return. If you need to file a past period, click the Payments, Returns, and Periods link. This page will display your current periods with quick links in the third column. Click the File Return link next to the period you want to file. This page will display your electronic WH-1605 form. If you have no tax withheld for the quarter, click the checkbox at the top. Otherwise, enter the quarterly income tax withheld in line 1 and any payments you already submitted during the quarter in line 2. Once you're finished, click Next. Review the summary page to ensure that all information is correct and click Next once you're finished. Click Submit to submit your withholding return. Enter your MyDORWAY password, which serves as your electronic signature. The confirmation screen has your confirmation number. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records. You can also print a summary report of your return for your records. When filing your fourth quarter return, which includes an annual reconciliation page, follow the same process to access it. On the electronic WH-1606, fill out the first page by completing lines 1 and 2. Once you're finished, click Next. On the annual reconciliation page, enter your total income tax withheld from W-2s, W-2Gs, and 1099s into Item 8. In our example, we only withheld from W-2s. Enter the total income reported from W-2s, W-2Gs, and 1099s in Item 9, and the number of W-2s, W-2Gs, and 1099s submitted into Item 10. Click Next once you're finished. Review the summary page to ensure that all information is correct, and then click Next. Click Submit to submit your WH-1606. If you need to amend a return that has already been processed, click the Payments, Returns, and Periods link in the Withholding panel. Click the period you want to file an amended return for. Click the File, View, or Amend a Return link at the top. On this screen, you will see your previously filed return. Click the Amend link at the top to amend the return. Amending a return allows you to edit your previously filed return. Proceed with the steps in the previous section to file and submit your return. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thank you for watching.